Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI PS428M. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI PS428M sounds like a jet engine, you're not alone. This loud noise usually indicates that the cooling fan is either malfunctioning or clogged with dust. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to overheating, which may damage internal components and reduce the lifespan of your device. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a pry tool, isopropyl alcohol, a clean cloth, and of course, a replacement fan compatible with the MSI PS428M. To start the repair, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the pry tool to carefully remove the back cover of the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the cooling fan. It's usually situated near the heat sink. Check for any visible dust buildup or damage to the fan blades. If the fan is obstructed by dust, gently clean it with a cloth dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Should the fan appear broken or excessively noisy, it's time to replace it. To remove the fan, locate the screws securing it in place. Typically, there are 4 or 5 Phillips screws. Carefully unscrew them, maintaining a steady grip to avoid dropping them. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Be cautious not to pull on any nearby components. Now, you can take out the faulty fan. To install the new fan, reverse the process, connect the fan cable to the motherboard, secure it with the screws, and ensure it's seated properly. Before closing everything up, give the fan a quick spin by hand to check for any obstructions. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you're satisfied everything is in place, replace the back cover of the laptop, pressing down firmly to ensure it snaps back into position. Finally, power on your device to verify that the new fan is functioning correctly and that the noise has been eliminated. To prevent this issue from returning, regularly clean the vents and fans of your MSI PS428M. Consider using compressed air to blow out dust every few months, and ensure that your laptop is used in a clean environment to minimize dust accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.